Hey everyone, so in tonight's video I'm going to be sharing with you a cute idea that I had. Now I got this idea actually from my daughter because we go to Target quite often and we always walk up and down the toy aisles, and my daughter likes to get these push pops that have little treats inside. So she'll get like a keychain, stickers, a little stuffed animal, a charm, a little envelope with a joke inside, just cute things like that. And it got me kind of thinking that I know we use these in crafting and these are the rage right now to make these and put homemade confetti in them, but I thought, wouldn't it be fun for Halloween to put like actual goodies inside of them that we can use? So I already filled these up and we're gonna fill up this one together, but I just want to show you guys what they look like. I used the Bewitched collection from Echo Park. I love that collection. I think it's so adorable. I love the whole witch theme. I love the colors. I just think it's super cute. So what I did was I covered it with the paper. I have some sewn crepe paper that I have wrapped around it, and then I made this little rosette, and I used stickers from the sticker sheet. So this is what the sticker sheet looks like. And I've been getting used to actually using the sticker sheets that come in the collection kit. So that's what I've been using for like the center of medallions if I'm using a paper collection that doesn't have anything to work with but the stickers. So that's basically what I did. I even layered a rosette with a crepe paper rosette, and I think it came out really, really cute. And I had this black and white stripe straw in my stash, and I just used my 1.5 inch punch and added some paper to the top. And inside I have crinkle paper and some goodies. So I'm not going to go through what's inside the ones that I already filled just because I'm planning on sending them out. And this is another one. So this one has the candy paper and the black and white crepe paper. And I used the little jack-o'-lantern pail on the front. So that's what it looks like. Super cute. So this one I used orange crepe paper. And I love the pumpkin paper. It's like one of my favorites. I ordered so many single sheets of it because I just thought it was so cute. And I used this orange straw with black bats. And so this is my last one that we're going to be filling up. This one's really witch themed. And I love the orange straw. I think it just gives it the pop of color because it's so like purple and black, purple and black. And then on the top I have this cute witch. So we're going to fill this one up. Okay, so this is the only problem that I'm having with adding things to this and then actually popping it. So you can do that with the confetti. So if you were to actually push upward with the confetti, just the confetti flies all over the place and it's no big deal. But if you were to like put things inside of there, which I have done before, and actually push upward, things are gonna fly everywhere. So I suggest if you are going to do something like this, either use caution when pushing this up, or, you know, maybe just open up the top. So now we're gonna go ahead and fill it. So I have some black crinkle paper. I think it just looks pretty in the push pop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my goodies. So another thing that I was thinking, you can add candy to this. I've already tried to fit a lollipop in there. It wouldn't work. You can smash these in there and maybe a couple other candies if that's what you want to do. I'm not going to do that just because I just want to fit as much as I can in there. So I think we'll have this little candy corn, just little things like this that we can actually use from our stash. I think it's nice to add little things like this. So I have some candy corns from Michael's. I have some bats and spiders from Michael's. These pumpkin jingle bells, I've gotten them from everywhere, so I don't really know. There's not one specific place because I have seen them everywhere. I went to the 99-cent store today and I even saw them there. So gonna add some buttons. I think they're really cute. And I'm just gonna add some confetti to this as well. This is from the 99-cent store, and I just think the colors go really well with this paper. Now when you're all done, what I do is I just ball up some crinkle paper and add it to the top so your pen pal won't be able to see what's inside. And you close it. And there. And so there are my surprise push pops. I hope you guys liked this idea. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you tomorrow night. Love you guys.